okay, to all the women out there, you know, they always say, okay, what can you do like me? They say, what are you doing in a like with the PNP? It's a man's world, but hindi na. It's not how it works now. There's always something you can do. Always something you can do. They're saying you're not just the wife. That's how I was actually in the first place. I was like, okay, sawa lang naman ako. Ano bang gagawin ko? So, but there are big things that you can do. Let's not limit ourselves. Let's not limit ourselves to what people think you can do. There are limitless things that someone can do. Not just women, especially as women. It's it shouldn't be a hindrance being a woman. Actually, there's more power. Sorry, excuse me.
It's
You know,
we
you know,
respect it.
ang babae may charm, di ba?
Yes.
So it's easy to move. But so let's just make full use of what we can do, of our talents and our passion, and always think of the welfare of the people around us. So with that, I think it's easy to move. I mean, you can move forward and do what you need to